In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a review of the MEXC exchange. Now, in case you don't know, the MEXC exchange is one of the best crypto exchanges out there, especially this year, and I've not made a review of the exchange. So I've dedicated this video to make a review of the exchange and show you the different things you can do on this exchange, the different features, and everything you need to know before you go ahead and use this exchange for yourself. So in case you are planning to use the MEXC exchange very soon or download the app, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Also, in this video, I'll be showing you a campaign that MEXC is currently doing right now where you can get up to $1,000 airdrop for yourself. So this is the campaign right here. So you can see they are giving out $100,000 in auth tokens to their users. And these are the things that you can win. These are the rewards you can win. And you can see the highest one is $1,000. So like I said, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can participate in that airdrop and win up to $1,000 airdrop for yourself. So make sure you watch this video to the end because there are a lot of important information I'll be sharing in this video. So I'll go straight into it right now, and I'll be starting with the different features you can have on the MEXC exchange, or the different things you can do to make money on the MEXC exchange platform. Now, for the general ones that you have on every exchange out there, you have spot trading feature. So this is the spot trading feature right here, and you have the futures trading feature. Now, if you come here to where my cursor is, where you have spot, and if you want to do spot trading, you just come right here and click on spot. So as you can see right here, this is the spot trading page on the MEXC exchange platform. And it is practically the same as what we have on almost every exchange out there. So it is simple to use. So if you have been using maybe one exchange before and you are trying to move to MEXC, it is simple and straightforward. I can see right here where my cursor is. This is where you can see the chart and the candlesticks where you can do your technical analysis. So you can see the time frames above. You have 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 day time frame, and so on. And then if you want to use indicators too, you can do that on the MEXC exchange. You can see where you have this FX right here, you see indicators. So if I click on it, it will show you the different indicators that you can use on this platform. So you can see that there are a lot of indicators right here. So if you're the kind of person that you use indicators for your technical analysis, you can do that on the MEXC exchange. And one thing I love about the MEXC exchange is that even if you want to draw on your chart, you can do it right here. So if you want to do that, you just click on this pencil icon. So you see this pencil icon where it says tools, just click on it. And then on the left side of your screen or the left side of the chart, you see the different tools that you have right here. So let's say, for example, I want to draw like, let's say, a trend line. So this is the first one. The first one right here is the trend line. So if I click on it, I can just come right here to my chart. So if I want to draw like my trend line, let me draw it right here. So this is it. If I want to draw my trend line. So if you want to draw any line, maybe you want to draw your support, resistance, you can do that on the MEXC exchange. And then you can come right here. This is where you have your order book. So this is where you can see like the people who are selling and the people who are buying. So red here will show you people who are selling. The green part will show you the people who are buying. And the price you see at the middle right here is the current price of that coin. So this coin right here is MX. So this is the MX token, MEXC. So it is currently $2.3. So that's where you'll be seeing it right here, the order book. And then on the extreme right side of the screen, this is where you can now carry out your trade. Like I said, it is the same process on any exchange out there. So if you want to buy a coin, you click on buy right here. And if you want to sell a coin, you click on sell right here. So let's say, for example, you want to buy this MX coin, you just click on whether limit or market. So if you don't know the difference between limit or market, I have a video, a dedicated video on that. I'll put the link to the video in the description below. So in that video, you learn the differences between limit and market and the best one to use. So you just go ahead and put in the price at which you want to buy and the amount you want to use to buy the coin. But just to give you a summary, limit allows you to buy at your own preferred price. So if you're using limit right here, it means that you want to buy at your own preferred price. It means that you can set the price at which you want to buy the coin. So if you can see where it says price right here, just edit it and put whatever price you want to buy. But if you are picking market, market means that you want to buy this coin at the current market price. So you can see whatever price is here at this place, that means that that's the price at which you want to buy the coin. So what you just need to do is come here to where it says total and put the amount of USDT you want to spend. So if I want to spend, let's say 50 USDT, I'll just put in 50 right there. and I'll click on buy MX. So once I click on buy MX, I've bought the coin straight away like that. So that's just a simple way for you to carry out your spot trades on the MEXC exchange. It is the same thing, it is simple. But if you guys want me to make a dedicated tutorial on how to do spot trading on the MEXC exchange, please let me know in the comment section below. Just drop it in the comment section below and I'll definitely make a dedicated video on that. So that's for spot trading. Now the next one that I said is futures trading. Now if you want to do futures trading, it's also simple and straightforward. You just come here to where it says futures and then you click on USDTM futures. So I'll click on it right there. And right here on the screen is the futures trading page on the MEXC exchange. Now for this one too, it is the same thing you have on other exchanges out there. So right here, you will see the chart where you can do your technical analysis. It's just the same way as the spot trading page. And this other book too is the same thing as what you have on the spot trading page. But once you get to this side of the screen, this right hand side, this is where you can carry out your futures trade. So if you already know how to do futures trading already, this is simple for you. It is straightforward. It has some simple features compared to other exchanges out there. But if you are the kind of person that you don't know how to do futures trading, or maybe you are new to this, just let me know in the comment section below. Because of you, I'm going to make a dedicated futures trading video on MEXC exchange for you. So let me know in the comment section below. I will only make it if you guys request for it. So in case you want me to make a dedicated tutorial on how to do futures trading on MEXC, again, drop it in the comment section below. So right there are the two general features you have on every exchange out there. So you can see that it is also simple to use on the MEXC exchange. That's spot trading and futures trading. Now, the next feature that I love on this exchange is where you have copy trading and grid trading. Now, to locate that, you come here to where you have futures. You can see these futures again. You come there, and then it's where you have grid trading and copy trading. Now, in case you don't know what this is all about, now grid trading is just like your bot trading or your trading bot. So in case you don't know how to use trading bot or you don't know what it is all about, so grid trading basically means you create a trading bot. That means you create a bot that will be taking trades for you automatically without you doing anything. So what you just need to do is you just maybe input some parameters or maybe input some rules for the trading bot to follow. And once you set those parameters or those rules, the trading bot will start taking trades for you even when you are sleeping. And you can be making money with this while you are sleeping. So if you are looking to get into grid trading or maybe trading bots, then you can try this on the MEXC exchange. And the next one I talked about is copy trading. So copy trading is a form of trading whereby you copy other professional traders. So you copy other professional traders, and whether they make money or they lose money, you also make money or lose money. So if you copy a trader who is making profit consistently, you also make money consistently. And if you follow a trader who is losing money, you also lose money. So basically the main thing right here, if you are doing copy trading, is to make sure that you look for a very good trader on the exchange to copy so that you can make money for yourself. And then the next one I'll talk about is where you have demo trading. To be honest, not every exchange has this feature, though some exchanges are starting to put it right there. But if you want to do demo trading, you have it on the MEXC exchange. So demo trading basically means that maybe you are not confident in yourself, or maybe you are not ready to put in your own money, your real money to trade. Then you can try demo trading, whereby they will give you demo funds, or maybe they will give you virtual funds for you to trade. So it's basically for you to practice or for you to try out your trading skills. So you can see these are the different features that you can use on the MEXC exchange. And basically some of these features, you can find them on some other exchanges out there. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how you can earn passive income on the MEXC exchange. Now, in case you don't know, you can make money with crypto without trading at all, without doing anything at all, and you'll be getting passive income basically every day. Now, to do that on MEXC, you just come here to where you have N. So you can see where you have N right here. It says SOL staking. So if I click on it right there, it will bring me to this page where I can earn passive income with Solana. So you can see right here, it says MEXC Solana staking, steady interest, effortless growth. And you can see the API right here, you'll be earning 12.38% annually. So without you doing anything at all, you'll be earning 12.38% annually. And it is simple to do. You can see the steps right here. The step says number one is take your SOL. So that means that you must buy SOL, or you must have SOL in your MEXC account already. Then just go ahead and stake it to earn interest. And then after the investment is done, you can now redeem your SOL and get your interest for yourself. That's basically it. So if you're into passive income, you can try this. Another one that you can try is called Simple Earn. So this is the Simple Earn right here. You can see where my cursor is. If I click on it, it will bring me to this page where I can invest any of my cryptocurrencies and earn passive income every day. So you can see right here, these are the different products you have. So you can see the cryptocurrencies you have IP, you have USDT, you have MX token, you have XTM, AIX, you have different cryptocurrencies right here. And you can see the estimated APR. So for this one, you can earn up to 400% annually. And you can see the duration is just for 3 days. And you can see it is fixed. So you can see that this investment, this first one, is for 3 days and you'll be earning 400% APR. It is APR, please take note of that. So APR means that this is the amount you earn yearly. So if you want to know how much you'll be earning every day, all you just need to do is to divide 400% by 365 because we have 365 days in a year. So that means that to know how much you'll be earning every day per day is just 400 divided by 365. So 400 divided by 365, that's about 1.1%. So that means that you'll be earning about 1.1% every day. So that means that for the 3 days of this investment, that's 3.3%. So that means that after 3 days, you will earn 3.3%. Please take note of this. This APR is yearly because I know some people will still ask. So you can see for USDT, it is 600% and it is for 2 days. So for this one, you just divide 600 divided by 365 and that's about 1.6% every day. So that means that for 2 days, which is for this investment, 1.6 per day, that will be 3.2% for the 2 days. I hope you understand. So those are the different features for you to make money on the platform. Now, aside from all of these methods of making money, you have the everyday airdrop feature. Now, there is a feature on the platform that allows you to participate in airdrops and make money every day. So it means that you can participate in different airdrops and get free tokens for yourself. Now, to see that, you come here to where you have events. So you can see where you have events right here. Come here to where you have airdrop. So you see where you have airdrop plus. Click on it and let's see. So right here on the screen, you can see it says discover exciting crypto airdrops on MEXC, earn rewards by completing simple deposit and trading tasks. And you can see where it says total price pool in USD. This is the total price pool they are giving out or that they have given out, and that's about $33 million. And if you come here to new user average reward, that's $50. That is the average amount of money that every new user is making from this airdrop page. That's $50. And the number of projects or the number of airdrops, that's 446. And you can see the different people who are participating in the different airdrops. You have over 692,000 people. And if you scroll up, you see the different projects that you can participate in. So you have different projects. So every day, if you come here, you have different projects that you can participate in and join. So let's say, for example, you want to participate in this first one to win some K token for yourself. So you can see right here, they are sharing $60,000 in K token and another 15,000 USDT to people who participate in this one. So if you want to join, just click on join now and they will give you some tasks that you need to complete. So once you complete those tasks, you can win part of this for yourself. So you can come here any day, anytime to participate in different airdrops for yourself. So you can see that there are different features or different ways to even make money on this platform. So if you're the kind of person who is looking to make money for yourself, maybe every day, then you can come here and participate in some of these things or some of these airdrops. So now that you've seen all of these things, let me go straight to the campaign MEXC is doing right now, where they are giving out up to $1,000 to their users. So this is it right here. It is called WLFI Pre-Hype Fest. So what they are doing right here is to celebrate the launch of this token, this WLFI token. And to celebrate it, they are giving out free tokens or free airdrops to their users. And you can see right here on the screen, it says the event ends in 7 days, 22 hours. So it means that you have exactly 7 days to participate in this campaign and win something for yourself. Now, to see the different things you can win right here, just scroll up. So you can see these are the different rewards. You have $1,000, you have $200, you have 20 MEXC token, you have thanks for participation. This one, if you win this one, you are not lucky. Then you have 2 Trump token, you have 10 Liberty tokens, you have 50 EGL tokens, and you have 20 B tokens. So these are the different things you can win right here. Now, for you to participate in this, you need to have different draws or different chances. Now, for you to get your chances, there are some tasks that you need to complete. So if I scroll up again, this is where you can now see the tasks that you need to complete for you to earn different number of draws. Now, right here for the first one where you can earn 1 draw, you can say 1 number of draw. That means that you need to sign up and complete your KYC. So this means that you need to go ahead, create an account with the first link in the description of this video and do your KYC. It's as simple as that. And once you do this, you will have 1 draw for yourself. So once you have that draw for yourself, you can now come here and participate in this. So once you have 1 draw, just click on click to draw and it will randomly give you any of these rewards right here. So if you want to have more chances, just come back here and see the remaining tasks you need to do. So the second one says first deposit plus total deposit volume. So this means that you earn one chance for every 100 USDT in first deposit plus total deposit volume with a maximum of one chance. So this means that you need to deposit 100 USDT. So once you deposit at least 100 USDT, then you're going to get one additional draw or one additional chance for yourself. And the next one is to earn one chance for every 100 USDT in first trade plus spot trading volume. So this means that if you do spot trading with at least $100, you get one draw. For this next one, you have users who deposit at least 100 USDT within 7 days of their first deposit and trade any futures pair will receive one spin. So this means that you must deposit $100 and within the 7 days of depositing that $100, you must do a futures trade. And then you can see right here, it says total spot trading volume for specified pairs. So if you trade any of these pairs that they have listed right here, you're going to be getting one draw. So you can see it right here, you have 20 draws, 40 draws, and the last one is where you have 2 draws. So you can see right here that you can win multiple number of draws for yourself. So if you want to do this, go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. I'll put the link to this airdrop page in the description below. And once you see it, once you get to this page, just come right here and click on register. So I've registered already, that's why it's showing as registered. So just come right here to show register, just click on register and go ahead and complete some of the tasks that you see right there. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you want me to create a dedicated video on how to do better spot trading, futures trading, grid trading, copy trading on the MEXC exchange, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one.